So let's take a look at multiplying fractions again. So we have a rectangular cake. It's cut into 24 pieces, and Jane eats 4 of the pieces. So what does this look like? Okay, so it's going to look like this. I'm going to have a square rectangular cake here that I'm going to draw. Okay, and 24 pieces. So let's split this up into rows of 6 and rows of 4. Okay, so Jane's eaten 4 pieces. So let's take a look at 4 pieces here. She's eaten those. And Jack bets Jill that he can eat 3/4 of remaining cake. So 3/4 of remaining cake. So if I take a look at this remaining cake, 3/4, well, conveniently I've got 4 rows here. So I'm going to take 3 rows out of 4. And that should represent my 3/4. Okay. So what fraction of the original cake is this? So we're talking about, of this piece that Jack ate, he's got 3, 6, 9, 12. He's got 15 out of 24 original pieces. Okay, so this is what Jack's eaten. He's eaten 15/24 of the cake. Or we can simplify that to 5/8 of the cake. Okay, so Jack has quite a bit of the cake there. I mean, I thought Jane ate a lot, but she's eaten only 1/6 of the cake. So we could do this by looking at the picture and doing that. Okay, we could also get the same answer by saying, he's got 1/4, so she's eaten 1/6, so we have 5/6 left times 3/4. Okay, and we could do top times top, bottom times bottom, and we can get the same answer that way. Okay, so we can do this with writing our symbols. Okay, so this is what it looks symbolically. Okay, and we could do it like that. Okay, so let's look at this next problem here. We've got 6 glasses of juice. They were 2/3 full, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 glasses of juice. They're all 2/3 full. Okay, 2/3 full. And so let's fill those up. Okay, so how many full glasses of juice can we make? Well, we can take, some of this juice here and fill up this one. So that's 1 full. We could take this one here. We can fill up this one. That's 2 full glasses. We can take this one here, fill up that one, and we can take that and empty. We've emptied out 2 of those glasses. We've managed to top up the other 4. Okay, so we can make definitely 4 glasses, 4 full glasses. Okay, so what does this look like with the fractions? So we're going to take 6 whole pieces and take 2/3 of 6 full glasses. So we could look like this. So 6 times 2/3, or 6 groups of 2/3. Okay, we're going to end up with top times top, or times on top, divide on bottom. We don't times, that's a times 6, so that shouldn't go on the bottom. So we're going to get just 3, and 12 divided by 3 is going to give us a 4. So symbolically it looks like this. With pictures it looks like this. So let's take a look at this one. 3/4 of the class likes to ski. Okay, so I've got my class here, and 3/4 of these guys are skiers. Right? I love skiing. Skiing's lots of fun. Okay, so there it is. 3/4 of my class likes to ski. The other 1/4, I don't know what they like to do, but we have, of this group, 2/3 like to snowboard as well. So all these skiers, some of them snowboard, and some of them enjoy snowboarding. Okay, I enjoyed snowboarding as well. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 out of these 3 pieces, should represent 2/3 of the 3/4 skiers. So what fraction of the class likes to ski as well as snowboard? Well, If I take a look at that picture, that's definitely half of the whole class. So symbolically, what does it look like? Okay, so I have 3/4 of the class, and of those, 2/3 likes to ski. So when I multiply top times top, bottom times bottom, I get 6/12. You could also simplify some of the common factors. There are some common factors of 3 here, 2 here, and here, and that's going to simplify to 1/2. Okay, so we can do so symbolically here as a picture. The picture doesn't lie. That's definitely, the answer is definitely 1/2. We can show it using a picture, or we can use it symbolically using some fraction concepts.